It looks like the Meng Wanzhou Huawei saga continues in Canada. On Wednesday, a judge effectively ruled in BC that, yes, the case is going to go forward. Huawei CFO Meng Wanzhou's lawyers, they wanted to say, well, this doesn't really apply here because what she's charged with in the extradition hearings, it's a crime in the US, not in Canada. The judge said, no, we're still going ahead with this. So what does this mean now? Because word on the street is the reason why Justin Trudeau is shying away from criticizing China, why he's shying away from making a decision on Huawei, is because this is ongoing in the courts, and China has Michael Kovrig and Michael Spavor held as leverage, two hostages, basically for a negotiation setup here. They have all but admitted that when you see the communications coming from representatives of their government. So what happens now? Now, I certainly was supporting the idea that rule of law would happen and Meng Wanzhou would stand trial, she'd be found guilty or innocent, or they'd release her, whatever the judge would decide. And I had thought if they do let her go, which I did not think would happen and I didn't want to see happen, but if they did that, okay, fine. You get the two Michaels soon thereafter, and as soon as you confirm those guys are on Canadian soil, you've got them back in the castle, you bring up the drawbridge. Bam, you ban Huawei the very next day. So you send a firm signal that we don't care for this sort of hostage negotiation stuff. It ain't gonna fly. That is obviously not happening anytime soon now because the Meng Wanzhou saga continues, but it still begs the question then, when is Justin Trudeau going to make a tough decision on these matters? On the Huawei 5G issue, on many other issues when it comes to criticizing China now during the coronavirus. There's also other decisions that are going to be rising to the fore. You've got TMAC Resources, which is a company, a mine, a Canadian mine that's near the Arctic Circle. A Chinese state-owned enterprise is attempting to buy it. Industry Canada can decide whether they approve or disapprove of that deal. What's going to happen there? On that front, sooner or later, Trudeau is just going to have to make a decision based on what's right, based on principle. He can't wait out the clock on this trial, and more importantly and alarmingly, you get Michael Kovrig and Michael Spavor back. What's to stop China from then holding other Canadians hostage next? It's not like we suddenly say, okay, we got these guys back and that's it. There's no connection between the two countries anymore. Are you kidding me? At any given time, there are many Canadian academics, prominent business individuals, ex-diplomats who are there in China, and the government could detain them at any point and play the same game again. So eventually, we're just going to have to stop playing weakness. We're going to have to stop treading water and make a decision, make a stand, and say, enough is enough.